So you have a recent white ancestor.
I do.
And you didn't know that?
I didn't know what we were, to be honest with you. I knew we were awful light. So I was like, there's something up in there.
What continent does it originate in?
Africa.
That means you're descended from a black woman on your mother's side.
There you go.
A black woman who was impregnated by a Spanish guy.
Oh, wow.
See what I mean? And your DNA alone tells us this tale.
Wow.
Mulatto?
Mulatto.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That is crazy.
You do have black ancestry. Your family story was true.
It gives me chills.
You understand that I tell people that I have interviews
Right.
where I say I'm a quarter Japanese.
Because you thought you were quarter Japanese, but genetically you're quarter Korean.
Why hasn't anyone told me this?
You want to see how many drops of white blood you have?
Yeah,
Please turn the page.
yeah, I do.
All right. Can you read these percentages?
32.2, European.
You are 1/3 white.
I am not.
You are 1/3 white.
Take that back.
Did you ever think you had an ancestor, A, who fought with the Patriots, and B, that he was black?
No, I did not. 34% indigenous Mexican.
How about that? You have a lot of Native American ancestry, Melissa.
Hell yeah.
A lot.
Cool.
You ever think of yourself as an indigenous woman?
No,
No.
but I love that.
You descend from a Native American woman.
What? I can't believe we got a ninth grandfather. What, are you gonna go to the beginning of time? From coming from no history to having so much history, it's unbelievable.
And read again how he's described.
Noble Indian.
Noble Indian.
That's beautiful. It's very moving. I mean, I'm moved. I'm getting teary-eyed here. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Your Johansson line comes from Sweden, not from Denmark.
No way. That is crazy. Wow.
What do you make of this saga, this journey from the 14th century AD all the way to you?
It's totally flipped my perspective of my family.
To see more incredible family history stories, click here. And thank you for watching.